This video explains what AutoFill is. In simple terms, AutoFill is a spreadsheet feature that automatically extends values, patterns, or formulas into adjacent cells. It recognizes a pattern and continues it. AutoFill exists because spreadsheets often contain repeated patterns or formulas. Instead of entering each value manually, AutoFill continues the pattern automatically. This saves time and keeps data consistent. AutoFill is not the same as typing values into each cell. It is not the same as copying and pasting without adjustment, and it is not formatting cells. AutoFill automatically extends patterns or formulas. You do not need to memorize this. You only need to recognize when a spreadsheet fills values automatically. You usually see AutoFill in spreadsheets such as Excel. It extends numbered lists, continues date sequences, or copies formulas down rows while adjusting references. It works with values, text patterns, and formulas. This diagram organizes the idea of AutoFill. Use it as a reference if needed. When a pattern or formula extends automatically into nearby cells, that is AutoFill.